Hi, my name is Irene, and I want to thank very much Dr. Nuxar and Dr. Nana, both for helping me have my new teeth. I had a broken teeth and I came here to fix it, and they did a crown for me. I am very confident to say that the work and technique used to fix my teeth was excellent. I have 1,000% confidence in saying that it was better than my treatment that they did in the United States. So you can imagine how good the technique was. Not only the technique, the work, but also the care, the tenderness that I felt when I have my treatment, have no pain whatsoever, and everything went perfect. My teeth is super, and it looked like nothing had happened before to me. No broken teeth sign at all. The work is excellent. I recommend Dr. Nuxar and Dr. Nana and everybody in this clinic, Richter Clinic, to come here for doing your dental cleaning and treatment.